Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an AI assistant that can help you research, write content, summarize information, generate ideas, and boost your productivity, you've probably heard about Genspark AI. But is it really that good? Let's get started. In this video, I'll explain what Genspark AI is, how to create your account, how to use it, and whether it's worth trying in 2026. Genspark AI is an all-in-one AI platform designed to help users complete everyday tasks faster. Instead of spending time searching through multiple websites, Genspark can organize information, answer questions, help with writing, brainstorming, research, and much more. Whether you're a student, content creator, freelancer, business owner, or someone who simply wants to work more efficiently, Genspark AI offers tools that can save a significant amount of time. Its interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and easy to understand, even if you've never used an AI platform before. Getting started is very simple. First, visit the official Genspark AI website. Click on Sign Up or Get Started. You can create an account using your Google account or your email address. After verifying your account and logging in, you'll be taken directly to the dashboard. The dashboard is organized neatly, making it easy to access different AI features without feeling overwhelmed. Using Genspark AI is straightforward. Simply type your question or request into the prompt box. For example, you can ask it to write an article, summarize a long document, explain a difficult topic, generate business ideas, create social media content, or even help you plan a project. The more specific your prompt is, the better and more accurate the response will be. If the first answer isn't exactly what you're looking for, you can refine your prompt, ask follow-up questions, or request a different style. This conversational approach helps you get much better results. After testing Genspark AI, I found that it performs well for research, content creation, brainstorming, and productivity tasks. The biggest advantage is having multiple AI capabilities in one platform, which reduces the need to switch between different websites. However, like any AI tool, it's always a good idea to review the generated content before publishing or using it professionally. Overall, it's a powerful option for anyone who wants to work smarter and save time. So that's my review